In this video, I'm going to show you how to get some free, high-quality background gradients. Let's begin. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Adi Purdila, and in today's video, I want to quickly talk about linear gradients. You see, for some time now, I've been using linear gradients from a free collection that I found online. It's a collection of about 180 gradients, and it's free for both personal and commercial use. And this particular collection makes it really easy for you to use those gradients. So let me show you what it is and how you can use these in your own projects. You can find this collection at webgradients.com. Maybe you're familiar with this website, maybe you're not, but essentially in here you will find, well, a lot of linear gradients. Some are very soft, like this one. Some are more harsh, like this one. But essentially, you can browse this list until you find a gradient that you like. Let's say, for example, this one. You can click on it to view it full screen. You also have some information about it right here. You can download this as a PNG, and you can basically just get a PNG file that you can then save to your computer. Or what we're interested in, you also get the color codes, the hex color codes for the colors that are inside a gradient. And what you can do is you can simply select, then copy each value and paste it in your design software. Now, what's also really cool about this is you can click and copy the CSS just like that. And then you can, of course, paste it in your code editor, and you now have a linear gradient applied to whatever element you selected. Now, if you go right at the top of the page, you will see that you can download this collection in a sketch and a PSD format. And I've downloaded the sketch file. Here's what it looks like. It's basically just a collection of shapes that have the various gradients applied to them. And the layers here are named just like the gradients on the website. And you also have these gradients as a style inside Sketch, which is fantastic. You can really easily just create a new element, and from the Appearance tab, you can select that gradient style that you want to use. If you're working in Photoshop, then you can download the PSD file. Now, what I really like about this tool is that it has a Figma plugin. And because I'm a Figma user, mostly, I find that to be very handy. It's called Web Gradients, and it has a very simple interface. On each gradient, you can see a preview of it, as well as its name and number. You can copy the CSS for it directly from this interface. And to use it, you just select the element you want to apply it to, and you just click, and you're done. Additionally, from this interface, you can add a gradient to your favorites by clicking on this little icon here. You can also filter gradients by color, like so. You can see the recently used gradients, and you also have access to your favorites list. And that's all there is to it. It's a very simple yet very useful tool. Now, I don't think there are plugins for other design software like Sketch or XD. I actually checked for plugins, but maybe I didn't find the right one. On the actual website, we can't even find a link to the Figma plugin. So if they've created plugins for other design software, maybe they're out there, but I couldn't find them. But yeah, that is the app recommendation for this week. Again, you can find it at webgradients.com. And the Figma plugin is called Web Gradients. All right, and that wraps up this quick video. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I'm Adi, and until next time, take care.